welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making butterfly braids or jungle braids, whatever you choose to call them, and they are short and cute and coily and fluffy and girly and beautiful. So my client came in with one pack of braiding hair and said she didn't want too much load on her hair. She just wanted simple. She likes very simple hairstyles, and I knew that if I braided like regular braids with that, it's going to look scanty. So I wanted the hair to still look full without using too much braiding hair extension, and that was how butterfly or jungle braids came into the options. And then we started. As you can see, if I were to be making like a normal box braid, the ratio of the sectioning to the hair extension I am using is not proportional, it's smaller. But because I am fluffing it out, it's almost as if I am making like those smaller jumbo braids. You get what I mean? So the hair is full but not too heavy and not too much hair extensions. So my apologies if you cannot see exactly how I am doing the butterfly on the back. You will see it on the side of her head, or you will see it when I get to the top of her head. So I skipped up to where those things were very clear so you can get to see it properly. If you have any question, please do not hesitate. I promise you I will answer you. Just leave it in the comment section. And I have a tutorial where I only focused on demonstrating different ways you can make butterfly braids. I will link it to the end of this video so you can watch the different options of different variations of this butterfly braids, which will affect how your final look will be. And I want to beg you, please, if you can afford to, do not skip the ads. You will see as you watch through the video that the quality of my video goes up and down. Like, my technique is not terrible, but my filming is just one, it has K-leg and it's affecting the output. So please do not skip the ads so that we can afford to get a camera and just do better. Thank you so much for watching. As I said, if you have any questions, see, only look at the hair you're watching. Do not look at any other thing in the surroundings. Do not look at what is happening around my working space. Just look at the hair tutorial that you came to watch, because anything you see is at your own risk. Anything you see that you like is good. Anything you see that you don't like, so let us continue. I'm just going to let you watch. But basically what I do is braid 1 2 3 pull, 1 3 pull. At the back I was braiding braid pull because I wanted the hair extension to be shorter, like a bob. Like, I wanted to exhaust the length of the braiding hair faster so that I won't need to cut it. I was just trying to adjust the length of the hair with how I was adding the knotless braid, so that made it fuller at the back and made it shorter. Then when I got to because I used the same length of braiding hair all through the head, so that was just my technique to get it right. So enjoy.